Welcome to today's session. Today I am going to discuss with you in brief of the essay writing. Before going to complete our essay writing task, here I would like to share with you and briefing a few points related to essay writing. What is an essay? When you are going to define an essay, the word essay, it means an attempt or to test. So here, how many types of essays are there? There are 5 types of essays. What are they? In our previous session, what we discussed, only 5 types of essays we discussed. Apart from that, argumentative essay. Now here, I would like to discuss argumentative essay, formal essay, and informal essay with you here. Now, how many types of essays are there? In general, 5 essays. The first one is narrative essay, descriptive essay, expository essay, reflective essay, and imaginative essay, imagination. So the last one is here argumentative essay also we have to use. What makes a good essay? Here we have to see the characteristic features of the essay, and the next one is the essay structure. How do you construct, how do you develop your essay? Before going to develop, you have a clear plan. In that you are going to uh, make your attention on introduction, body, and conclusion. In your planning, you are going to structure the essay in such a way. Introduction is there, body is there, and conclusion. And the next here, you see here, essay is analysis of any topic in which there are points that get explained by sources or evidences. It must consist of introduction, body, and conclusion. How many types of essays? We discussed 5 types. Now you see here. The first one is argumentative essay. When do you write and how do you write this argumentative essay? If you have any proof or evidence or witness, then you can write this argumentative essay. A form of essay that tries to prove a point by supporting it with evidence. Next, descriptive essay. A type of essay in which it describes an object or a person or a place or an animation using different adjectives. See here, I have given one example here. What is that? That is what is our utopia. Utopia means pure world. How can you describe this one? With the help of words only, but we can't show, we can't construct, we can't make immediately here. Next, expository essay. It must contain the cause and effect, compare and contrast, and classification sequencing. Here the example I have given, explain the cause and effect that First World War had on Canada. Next, a narrative essay. It is an essay in the form of story with a narrator explaining events taken place which try to prove a point or an initial thesis. What is your thesis statement? Based on that, you are going to narrating things here. Example, can you say any example on the narrative essay? What was the best idea you ever had that made a difference in your life? Suppose if I ask you to write an essay on this, how you are going to narrate the things or events in logical order, that makes an essay. Then at the end you are going to make a clear structure for that one. Next, there are other 2 essays, formal essay and informal essay. In a formal essay, you are going to use a subject that has to explain or proven with a concrete evidence and a proper essay format. Example here, how did Canada contribute in First World War? Informal essay, it doesn't require any other thing except your imaginative points or any other experiences or your observations in a particular place or on a topic. It allows the writer to go a bit off topic and not use proper evidence, and also it allows the humor. You can use humor and wit in this one. It lets the author's opinion get involved in the essay. Can you write an essay on in the informal? Here I have given one example. Why do you think the so-called was a popular? Next, personal essay. In this, it explains a personal opinion about any topic. Explain whether or not you like cat or any other animals. You can write an essay like that. Persuasive essay. You try to convince the reader into believing one point other than the other. So, how can you say it is a good essay or bad essay? What makes an essay good or bad, that you are going to see here. Informal essay, a well thought out and it must be serious answer to an essay topic. Good topic sentence you have to use. Logical argument you have to show in the constructing sentences. Wide range of supporting evidences you have to put in the particular frame. Explain how the evidence is related to the topic. Well organized essay structure must contain introduction, body, and conclude. Here, structure. You see in the structure in the introduction, this is statement that states the main idea or intent of an essay that must be followed by major supporting details. In the supporting statements, you have to show the particular ideas or points related to the thesis. The body must contain evidences what you would like to keep in order. And next one is a transition in the same. In the concluding paragraph, we are going to summarize all the details supporting with your thesis statement in the beginning point. Next, you have to refer back to thesis statement, go out with a full verification. When you are going to revise, you have to proofread before going to submit your essay to anyone. Thank you. In the next session, we are going to see the improvement, how you have to improve your essay for the better performance.